over here, you can see where the mold is starting to form, and it's just because it's really soaked. So in order to treat this correctly, we can't just shampoo it, we have to use the proper chemicals, and that's something that Fresh Start Detailers always has. Back to barrier, it's not only going to be used as a treatment for the mold, but it's also going to kill all the bacteria inside of the upholstery. And we're going to be using a rust remover, and of course this is specifically formulated to target not only the base of the vehicle, which is the floorboards, but also the carpeting as well. This is going to take care of all the odors. So our preferred choice is HD odor. This is geared towards removing smoke, urine, basically any lingering smells. Now the next one we have here is BioBreak, and this is our everyday traffic spray for heavy soiling. And of course we want to always mix that into our sprayer, and we control how strong all of our products are. you.